¿La acabas de comprar?
Sí.
Ah, está perrón, güey. Ya no hace falta la camarita para
Ya,
grabar.
no, es lo único que me hace falta. ¿Y los guantes?
Ya también me hacen falta guantes. He's gonna take out his N250. Beautiful blue bike. I'm gonna head out to Chavina right now. Está chingón tu de este también, El de este, el visor, ¿cómo se llama?
¿La entera?
Sí. Está perrona, güey. Yo te sigo, güey.
No, yo te sigo.
Yo te quiero grabar para que se vea chingón. Alright, this is our first ride with someone. Nah, this is actually pretty fun, man. I love riding with people. Let's go. And it even sounds nice. Sounds hella nice. And better because it's blue. Yeah. Don't forget to put blinkers, guys. Just look at that beautiful sunset right now. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys to the ops place where that white truck is. I'm trying to let everybody know. Right here. These are the ops right here. Yeah. There we go. Let's enjoy the road! This guy's gonna fucking... Oh, she freaking took it! Let's get it! I'm gonna take some pictures with the bad boys. This is nice. Look, the sunset. Damn, I can get some clean pictures of this at new. Alright, so we're now heading to the nearest town. We just took some pictures of beautiful sunset. But we're now going to the nearest town because he said his parents are over there. And apparently they don't let him do anything. He's already 20-something years old, but it is what it is, guys. We're still gonna have some fun right here. Look, tractor. Oh, we can wait for it. It's gonna smack us with the thing over there. There's a tractor. Let's head this way. I know we just came this way, guys, but we're gonna go to the soccer game. We're just gonna pass by, looking all flying keys. Corn on a cob. Just chose corn on a cob. This guy, he's gonna get some clean shots from my GoPro. He's just looking all nice and still. Look at that. I love the color on that thing though. Not gonna lie. I'm actually matching right here. Color scheme, right? Let's go. Let's play. There's where I would kiss my girlfriend that way. So, oh, this is the first road I drove through whenever I had my first bike. So, oh look, my friends are having a party. People are hella staring. They ain't us, man. They're not like us. They're not like us. They're not like us. Ow! This is so exciting, man. I miss my other bikes. Right now I have that slow 125cc. You guys really need to help on. You guys need to hop on here and you know, help me get monetized so I can get another one. It's gonna take me another year to save up for one of these bad boys. Unless if I get into a serious debt, and then that's gonna be a pain in the ass. People are scared. There's hella heads. Everybody out here, man. Everybody out here. And you know what? I need a new helmet. I'm not sure if my head shrunk. The helmet just got bigger, but kind of just falls off of me. Oh, it's because I'm always with long hair. And I think I bought it when I had like really excessive long hair. And now I have short hair, so yeah, let's go through here. We're trying to get some people to... Ah, what? This guy hella missed it, man. We're supposed to go through there. This dude. Oh, Camaro. Nice. Alright, let's follow this guy. I don't know where he's trying to go. This guy doesn't, I don't think he knows what he's doing. I'm gonna lead the way. Let's go. I should have gone inside of there. Protección civil. Yeah. You know what? I'm actually having check both ways and just keep going. Ah man, he followed my plans. I was supposed to go left. It's crazy, man. It's kind of hard riding with other people, especially if you've never ridden with them. It's my first time riding with this guy. You don't listen. Oh, that felt good. Oh, I got the little jibbers. Going right, so let's go right. We got some pretty decent pictures though. Hopefully they look good. We'll take some nice pictures. Town Plaza. We're at the Town Plaza right now. I don't think he knows how to ride with one hand. I do though. No ABS, no nothing, so we could do stoppies. Yeah, on our face. I mean, we don't look badass. We're the only ones here with helmets. Telling him to go all straight, all straight. Because if not, he's gonna want to take the... What me, shimmy, oh man. Yeah, bikes can do this. Yeah. Again. That's crazy. Well, I wanted to let him go through the middle right here, but he didn't know what I was going to do. So, dodge all the speed bumps, man. Look at this. No speed bumps. Let's go. No! Taking care of my friend's baby because you know, need to turn her on. Let's continue to go straight. Need to turn her on because she's only going to be available to me for today until next time. You know, I decide to start begging for it. I'm just kidding, I don't beg, but they just kind of let me borrow stuff. And look, Navi, like a Grom type. There's another soccer field right here in town. I'm showing you guys another soccer field, and then there's another kindergarten up here. I'll show you guys the kindergarten. Bam, right there, look, all colorful and stuff. That used to be a house and they made it into a kindergarten. There's a crazy guy behind me. That's my first house, but don't let me borrow it. There's a crazy guy behind us just like glorying it the whole time. I'm gonna have to edit so much of this video because we didn't go to the cool spot he was trying to go to because this guy trying to get mad at him and he's telling stuff. Oh, let's go, man. Look at the sunset. I'm trying to go see the sunset. Dodge all the freaking... Let's go down there. All instinctively know where the bumps are nicer. And it's not as bad. Beetle. I don't know how that beetle goes to freaking concrete and stuff. Yeah, I'll just follow him. One hand riding feels so good, man, especially in these type of bikes. This guy, everybody just stare at me. I want attention, because I'm a deprived attention. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm a bit excessive right now because I want them views. I want to get monetized, and I'm not that fun. I'm not exactly what you call fun. I may do dumb things, but I'm not fun. I'm just attractive. Just look good. Oh yeah, still recording. If they sell bikes, we should probably go get one. I gotta keep putting my helmet on because I know it's a safety hazard doing this the whole time, but it's like I can't. My head shrunk. I have a tiny shrunken head. I'll follow this guy. I don't know where he's going. I'm gonna go straight. I kind of want to go this way. Different section. Man, this makes no noise, man. I love it. Feels so smooth and no noise. But it's still kind of cool, you know. Other bike. I think that guy honked at me though. It's okay though, he was on a speed bump. Had to wait for me. Oh, regular. Oh, I know that girl. She goes to the gym. How is that possible? It's raining. Yo, the water droplets feel so hard though. We're gonna try and take some pictures from up here. See what that guy behind me is doing. Yeah. Nos va a agarrar el agua, güey. Apenas se ve chido, ¿verdad? Nadadito así. Está chispeando, ¿verdad? Ah, sí, aquí no va a haber dónde, ¿verdad? Aquí no va a haber dónde. Espérate, déjale, quito la pata. It for today, guys. Que se vean las dos o nomás la tuya, güey. Híjole, voy a tener que quitarla. Sí, dale para allá. No, tu cel saca bien chingonas, güey. Gonna be it for today's video, or probably two videos, because it's starting to rain. I'm already kind of getting wet, and so is he. So I'm going to most likely go return the motorcycle right now. I'm gonna head over to my friend's house. What's that dog doing? I might head over to my friend's house. Just in case it rains, I'm just gonna stay there for a bit. And it's already closer to to my other friend's house, the one that let me borrow his bike as well. So you can smell the wet dirt. And look, that dog's chasing the chicken. So yeah, like and subscribe. That's gonna be it for today. If you guys like this content, if you guys like my randomness, if you guys want to support by, you know, sharing, subscribing, liking, I want to get monetized. Oh no, I just don't want to slip because it's the first rains, and the first rains are always like pretty bad. Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Peace. You guys can't tell, I'm pretty hard now. Oh no, this is hard. We managed to get to my friend's house. He's gonna put his bike inside.